This 5-minute solution will show you how to hide Snapchat story from someone. You can block people from viewing your Snapchat story in just a few steps. And the process will be similar for Android and iOS users. Launch the Snapchat app. Tap on your profile photo at the top left. Here you will find your story. Now tap on this three dot next to the story and tap on story settings. If you select my friends, all of your friends will be able to see or view your story. And to hide people, select custom. Now select those peoples you want to block from viewing your Snapchat story. Tap on block, and those users won't be able to view your Snapchat story. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.